Hello everyone and welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial we will start to learn something interesting in Rhino and Grasshopper. We will start to learn how to create, for example, the animation, the pathway with, for example, the views, the range views. As you can see, this is what we will get in the end, where the blue line, this is the most far object from this dot, and the red one and orange one is much closer. So what for example, some buildings which you can see directly without any problem, as you can see it here. So we will create this type of the animation, and we will create all the scripts in this tutorial. Actually, will be series of tutorial. If you are ready, let's get started. This tutorial will be separated on 3 different tutorials. So the first tutorial, we will create our map. I will show you what you need, which the programs we will use, and how to import and export it to the Rhino. The second tutorial, we will create the pathway, so which as you can see right now on your screen. On the last tutorial, we will create the animation, and I will show you how you can do coloring with your animation. So we will create it more representative. So for this bunch of tutorials, we have like 3 different tutorials. All the programs which I will use in this tutorial, you will see below the video. I will leave all the links, and of course I will tell you if you are using some special, not from vanilla Grasshopper. First of all, we need somehow to get the map. The most useful map what we will use, OpenStreetMap. Sometimes, or my previous tutorials, you already saw how I'm using the OpenStreetMap, but we are used for that time Dynamo for the Revit. Right now we will use the only Rhino and Grasshopper. So OpenStreetMap, and let's go inside to the site. This site actually have like open data around the world, so we will use it. For example, let me go to some Europe country, and we will use, so for example, the Prague. Let's say we wanna get not the central city, or something like that, this part, and we wanna get analysis. Let's say we wanna create one point here and another point here. We want to create the road way of this. For example, for this case, here is the B, here is the A, and we want to get some information from these buildings around this pathway. So that's why we are using the Rhino, Grasshopper, and OpenStreetMap. Okay, we did it. Once you're done, okay, we want this territory. Let's say we want this site. How you can get it? Just go to the export. Once you will go to the export, you need manually select different area, because if you will say export, you will get all this area. We don't need it. We want to get only this area, for example. So just click here manually and try to get area which is you want. Sorry guys, this is service, this is OpenStreetMap, can allow get only the rectangular one area, so you cannot get like some of the shape, for example, like that, free shape, let's say, something like that. You cannot get it. You should do it manually by yourself. You cannot do like that. It's not allowed. Okay, so here is our territory which we want to get, and now just select the export. Once you will select the export, we will get OSM data. Actually, OSM translating like OpenStreetMap, so this is nothing secret here. For this one, we need right now QGIS. I think you already know the QGIS. Again, I have the tutorials about the QGIS, you can find it. If you not, it's okay, I will show you everything. We will do everything right now. So just go to the view QGIS. Here is nothing special, just click here, download now, and you can download it, the latest version or the previous one, doesn't matter. I'm using this version, so you can download it, install it. There are nothing secrets, just next, and done. Okay, once you will finish download it, you will get the icon. It's calling like QGIS desktop. Just start it, and QGIS is starting. Okay, here we are. Here is our QGIS. What is doing the QGIS? You will ask me like why we need it. QGIS working perfectly with all map data. A really powerful thing when you are working with map. Okay, we already have our OSM map, but we wanna somehow upload inside here upload here our OSM data. How we can do that? Straight away go to the plugins. It's here. After that, manage and add install plugins. Just wait, hold on. I will straight away show you which type of the plugins I already installed. You can see it here, like DB Manager, Meta Search, but we are interested in OSM Place Search, OSM Downloader, Info. It's optional. You can download it. You can skip it. It's okay. And Quick OSM. The most important thing for us right now, this is Quick OSM. Just download these plugins and you're ready to start to continue. If you don't know how to download it, go to all, and for example we need Quick OSM. Just type it OSM here, and here is for example our Quick OSM, and you just here will get install like this. Install the plugin. That's it. You just will click install and that's it. Here is nothing, again, nothing special. For example, I wanna install Valhalla, why not? I will install it. As you can see, few seconds, I already have it. And it's here, as you can see. The same thing with the Quick OSM. Okay, you're already done with that. Better close the QGIS and open it again. This will be 100% sure it's working, everything alright. If you are not doing that, if you will get some problems later on, just close and open the QGIS again. Okay, the first part is finished. We already installed the QGIS, we already get OSM data and how to use it. Here you will get this icon, Quick OSM. Just click on it. And now you need import your OSM data. Just go here, OSM file, and as you understand, now this plugin waiting our OSM file. Just let's browse it, OSM2, let's open up it. Okay, and we not will do anything else, we just will say open, that's it. I will open and I will show you what we will get. It will take a bit time. Once it will finish, you will get the 100% and you will get here the message like success. You can just close it and you get the data. Everything, it seems okay, but as you can see already, we are now on the plane view, but it looks like this is isometric view. But if you will go to the map here, it's not isometric view here, but why we get it here? The problem is this is coordinates, and we need now change our coordinates for this type of the map. How we can do that? I not will now explain you why we are using these coordinates. We have a lot of different reasons to use another one. Just follow me to get the same result. You should go back to the project. Don't close anything, just go to the project. After that we should go to the properties. It's here. We are using the 44. This is wrong. We should use the 31. Because 44 is for the whole Earth, but this one, as you can see, it's making the straight. So I will use. For example, you cannot find it here. Here is empty in this tab. How you can do that? Just write here the 31N. Once you write 31N, find it here. WGS 44 31N. It's here. Select it and say OK. And now you get your standard map, which is you using for all your architecture routine. As you can see, this is what we want. Right now we can work with this map, but still we have a lot of different things which not understandable. For example, these dots. Maybe this is bus station or something like that, but we don't know. We should prepare our map before we'll upload it inside to the Rhino, right? So I will show you how we can do that. If you installed before the plugin, which is called like Get OSM Info, it will help us a lot. I will show you how it's working. Just click on it, and after that, for example, I'm not understand what is this polygon surface. I will click, and now, right now, this plugin taking the data from the internet, from the OpenStreetMap, all the data of this surface. As you can see, here is the Czech Academy of Science, so okay, we know that. What is that? Highway, here is the footway, perfect. This is Czech Republic, nice. And this is Old Town, as you can see. And here is the part of Old Town. Here we have some the data. Nice. This is church. Yeah, okay. And here, as you can see, here is the highway and nearest, it means the highway, and it's New Town, as you can see. Nice. We like know where is the New Town, where is the Old Town, and as you can see, we can use it in Rhino too. Okay, this plugin will help you a lot to working with the data. Let me see here, we get some layers, but what is the layers? As you can see, it's not understandable, like yellow, silver, black, and actually I'm not understand clearly what is that. Yes, of course you can, for example, like switch it off and on and rename it, but I will show you the better way. I will select all the layers by hold the shift and select all the layers and delete it. Yes, delete it. And now much interesting part. As I said, everything here they have the layers. This is perfect for us because we can by layer get what we want. For example, we want buildings. Let's go back here to the quick OSM. First we will go to OSM file. I will use our map again, but I not will click here the open it. We not will do that. We will go to the quick query, and here I wanna get. I will open. As you can see, we can get by layer everything what we want. For example, we have like by different category like apartments, houses, industrial buildings, and all these things. This is building. But for my case, I wanna get all the buildings in one layer. And I will use all the buildings, and as you can see, all the buildings we will get like a shape and different value, like dome, flat, glabets, and on, different one. After that, I will just use for example, the building. I will click here. Just a few seconds, and as you can see, we get our buildings. Only the buildings in different layer. Now I can do the same thing again for the roads. For example, I will go to the quick OSM. Again, the same file. You can do in one time. You don't need to close and open it up it again. But I will do for you guys. I will go to the quick, and we need the roads. For the roads, we need the highways. But we need all the highways actually. As you can see here, we have the different highways, like the passageways and all these things. We actually need highways and streets. And as you can see, here is the motorway, like track, here everything. And we'll use it like a road. Now you will see, just a few seconds. I will wait. And what we can see right now, you can see all the roads here, all the roads which is going crossing our city actually. Some roads, have the problem because we have not like 100% data. Here I think like the maybe pathway, maybe here is something else. You should check it. Of course, it's working with the data. You should like create one more layer. Maybe you need to load by layers, like different highways. It's taking the time. We not will do that today. But if you want to do that, you should go back to the OSM again, query, and you should find some another highways. As you can see, here is a lot of different highways, and this part of the road, it can be different other highways. Maybe you can find it. Okay, anyway, let's say we already finished, so we did it, and now we somehow need export it. So in this tutorial, we will export all the data. How we can do that? Let's export data like layers. For example, one data will be a road and another data will be building. It will be better for us. We don't need to separate all the data in Rhino. We will separate it right now. So I will choose only the layer road, right click, export, and export future as I'm sorry, not that as. And here we will use these three dots Let me I will create the new some new file. Let me I will create the new, and I will say this is shapes for Rhino. And this data will be road. Why I'm creating the folder? Because we will get a lot of different data, that's why. And here we will write the road. Let's say OK, but don't say OK yet, this one. We should choose different coordinate system, because right now this is wrong. Let me I will select here, and as you can see, project coordinate system, this one we will use. Because once you will use another coordinate system in Rhino, you will get not right the map. And here I will uncheck add saved file to map. It means create another layer here. We don't need it. Let's say OK. We're done. Now we need only the buildings. Right click, export. Here I will call it building. Let me copy the name. Here is also will be building, but let's say OK. And again, be careful with the coordinate system. This one. And uncheck here and OK. And right now it's time to go to the Rhino. Just open your Rhino, open your Grasshopper, and we already started the work. We don't need any preparation except the one thing. We need the special plugin for the Grasshopper. How it's called? Let me I will show you. Like Grasshopper, and we need the plugin it, like that. Once you will type like that, you will get here the link. Let's go inside to the link. And here's the it. This is what we need actually. And this the plugin working with the, as you can see, like Qgis plugin. So it means it's working with the OSM data with the shape files. We already exported the shaped files, and that's why we need this plugin. Just download it for your version. As you can see, this is pretty old one. It didn't update like a really long time. As you can see, it's around 6 years, but it's still working with all our, for example, I'm using the Rhino 7, so it's still working with the Rhino 7, and just download the latest one and use it. How to install it? I think here it's really simple. You can open up it and here how to install it, and really simple. Just follow this guidance and you will do it really fast. Okay, so once you will install it, we are ready to import our data just to check is it working everything or no. Let me, I will double click and I will write here the path because we need get our file. After that I need, for example, the panel just to check it, is it right or no. Right click here, select the existing data, and we need for Rhino, and we will take first, for example, our buildings. And here the shape file, we need only the file which is finishing on this index shp. So let's use it. Okay. And as you can see, now it's loading. Our file is loading. After that, we need adding it. If you will already install it, of course you will have it. We need imp file, imp, and as you can see, it. Just type this short name and you will get this plugin. If you don't want to search it or follow me, just type this name. Okay, we did it, and as you can see, here is the file. As you can see, we can connect our pathway. Let me will connect it. We already did it, but here is nothing going on because here is the true or false. So we need to connect here the Boolean operation. Here we have the toggle, as you can see, Boolean toggle. Let me, I will place it here and I will connect it here. Okay, here's now false and not any data going outside. As you can see, let me, I will connect. It's empty, not any data inside. Outside, I mean. Once you will do the true, we get some data. We cannot see what is that, but we get some data. Let me, I will do the false. Now we need visualize our data. So let me, I will write here the data with, and you will get data with it. So this is what we need. Now we need connect our shapes to shapes, our what is that? our future list, we need connect with the get fill out feed, hits here, and again here is need true or false. Let me I will connect the same thing here, because once we will true here, we allow to do the script here, and it will be here too, the same thing. And now I will connect my, for example, the polygon line. We need the P line here, the P line to here. So let me start. Right click, and here is our map. As you can see, we already get our map. And as you can see, we now can work with that. Okay, guys, this was it's not was tutorial with the Rhino. We did some preparation. This is most important for us. In the next tutorial, we will work already in Rhino. We will work already with the data which is we get from the QGIS. So your homework: get your data, get your city from the QGIS. If you have some problem, right below the video, we'll try to solve it. Or maybe I will create some stream where you can ask me online any question. Okay, in the next tutorial we will continue work with this data, and I will show you how you can manipulate with that. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.